she pats me, guys. When I pat her on the back, look. No, 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 no. You can't let the people see the face. Peach, peach, get it? Peaches, 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 peaches. Oh, it's really good. Mama, wait, it's yours, but let me see. I just want to show the people, Mama. I just want to show them the pretty shirt. Oh, oh, and you talking back? Don't be saying that. Y'all, I'm so excited to be a girl mom. I don't know what to do with myself. Over the cookies. Oh, she laughing at you, kid. I want to eat it right now, y'all. But look. Can y'all see that? Can y'all see that? It looks so good.
What happened to forever? Now we're not together. I know it's time, you probably need a break to see if you were down, whatever. Ride and die together. But baby, know that I'm good either way. What happened to forever? Now we're not together. I know
Hey
it's time, you
guys,
probably
welcome back to another video. Today I just came out of the mall. I've been running some errands today. If you guys follow me over on Instagram, you see that I was packing these comfort cases, backpacks for children that are entering the foster care system. It's just like comfort items like blankets, stuffed animals, and things like that for them on their first night, for children on their first night that they would be in a foster home. So I went and donated those this morning. I'll input the video for that and the photo. I donated it to a nonprofit called Embrella, and I've like worked with them in the past. They actually did an interview with me that's up. I could probably post the link. I think it is on YouTube. And you guys know I'm a foster mom, so they do events for foster families, and we're actually going to one next week at this like amusement park. So I decided to pick them to donate like the backpacks. I had 25 backpacks donated to them, and it was like blankets, stuffed animals, pajamas. I put in little toys, fidget toys, lip glosses, a whole bunch of stuff. So I was able to donate that this morning. I stopped in the mall. I got myself some, I've been craving, y'all, some cheesecake. So I went over and got some strawberry cheesecake, which I'm about to eat that. Look at it. Don't it look so good? I kind of want to eat it right now, y'all. But look. Can y'all see that? Can y'all see it? It looks so good. So I got me some cheesecake, and then Gabriel's birthday is coming up on August 20th. So I went in the mall and got him a couple things. I had to stop at Apple and pick up something. And now I am going to, I might stop at Target. We might go to Target, y'all. Let's go to Target, I think, because I gotta get a couple things. We'll see. We'll see where the day leads us, y'all. That's just my motto now. We just gonna go with the flow, go with the flow. But let me charge my phone, and I'll see y'all, I think, at Target. I think.
I've been drinking, I be stomping, all I do is win, boy. I've been drinking, I be stomping on their heads like. I've been drinking, I be stomping, keep it moving for these haters. I've been drinking, I be stomping on their heads like. I've been drinking, I be stomping, all I do is win, boy. I've been drinking, I be stomping on their.
We are back at the house. I put my hair up, y'all. I love my long braids, but I just don't like when my hair is in my face. But I got some carrots for baby girl. So I did go out. I actually did go to Target. Look at how she's going like this. She's smacking her lips. She is too funny. Okay. I actually never gave her carrots before. I've given her sweet potatoes. Oh, she's spitting it out. You like it, mommy? It's not sweet potatoes, it's carrots. You like the carrot, mama? Baby girl is, so my boys call her sister girl because they're her sister, and because she's their sister and she's a girl. So that's her nickname, sister girl or baby girl. But we've been calling her sister girl for a nickname. Look at her. Oh, you trying to let the people see you? You're trying to let the people see. She stay turning. I put the camera higher. She always is turning around to look in the camera. So I had to put the camera higher. If I'm doing a video. Want to say hi to my people?
Hi.
Don't be saying that dry hi to my people. You say you smile when you talk to my people. That's right. She's telling you to say a nice hi to the people. Say hi. Say welcome back to another video. I went to Target. I got a couple things for like a little self-care routine. I got some, I'll show you guys. Wait, Gabe, look in that bag right there for me. Actually, drag me those 2 bags. I got just a couple body scrubs. Yeah, it's here. Thank you. I got me some body scrubs, and then I stopped at Crumble Cookie and got some cookies. She liked the carrots, y'all, so I'm gonna finish feeding her these carrots. And then, okay. You want to bring me over the cookies? So I can... Oh, she's laughing at you, Gabe.
What?
She thinks the boys are so funny. She's laughing at you. She thinks the boys are so funny. So I'm gonna finish feeding her these carrots, guys, and then I'm gonna show y'all what I got from the store. All right, guys, so I'm back. And Mama didn't want the phone. See her little hand, y'all? That is my boo. Yes. I have to make sure she's not in it because sis be turning around so that she could be seen in these videos. Yes. Okay, so I'm gonna do a quick little haul. I went to Crumble Cookie, y'all. Look at them packaging. Nice. Can y'all see? Come on, focus. Crumble Cookie. This was like a strawberry frosted donut type of one that I already got into it, honey. I already started eating it. It was really good. But it was like let me show y'all. So this is half of the cookie. But it was like a donut. Oh, my hands look ashy, y'all. Don't worry about that. Mind your business, mind your business. You gotta say mind your business, mind your business. But this one is really good. It was like a strawberry frosted and sprinkle. It looked like a donut when I first got it, but now I had some of it. But here are, and then I got 4. Let me take a picture. Let me stop to them. Hold on, y'all. Okay. Wait, can y'all see the crumble? I feel like oh, there you go. Is that a good picture, Mommy? Is that a good picture? So I got a lemon drop cookie. And what I didn't know about Crumble, because I usually go to Insomnia Cookies, but Crumble Cookie, every week apparently they have different cookies. Because I went there once before and they had this really good cookie I was looking for. I don't remember the name of it, but they was like, we go through different cookies every week. What's the name of it? I don't know. There's a lemon one, chocolate chunk. This is like a vanilla Oreo one. And this one, I forget the name of it. Yeah, Mommy. I wonder, I'm not sure if every Crumble every week has the same cookie. I guess they do. But these are the ones this week. If you see that. So this one over here is the yellow drop. It's like a yellow drop or something. I don't know what the next one is. Then that's like a semi-sweet chocolate chunk. And then this one right here is a it's like a vanilla Oreo type of one. So see that. But they're really big cookies. And I'm going to cut them in half and try them. So that's what I got. We got some crumble. I'm sorry my head is kind of cut off, y'all. I'm trying to angle the camera to where y'all can see me, but y'all can't see Sister Girl because Sister Girl keep turning around looking in the camera. Right? Right? Yes. Hear that little laugh? Look at her. Them hear you, Mama. Look at her. She got 2 little teeth. Them hear you, Mama. Them hear you. This sweet little hand. That's a sweet baby. I want to get out. Here, read your book, mommy. And then I'm almost done. Then you're gonna come out, okay, baby girl? You gonna read your book about the ABCs? She's looking at that book like, let me out. She's looking at that book like, girl, bye. All right, I'm gonna make this quick, mama. So I did go to Old Navy. I just went to get Nicholas because my baby is getting so big. My oldest, he's 11, going to middle school, and he's like tall but slim. So I'm trying to find him jeans that are like fit him but are not high waters, because a lot of the jeans I've been getting him are like big enough because he's slim, but they're not long enough. So I went to Old Navy. I didn't see any tall jeans there for boys, but I did see slim. So I don't even have the jeans here. They're somewhere. He tried them on. They're probably in his room. But I got him some slim jeans, and I'm probably gonna order online some tall jeans for him, like tall slim. Nicholas, you want to try some of my crumble cookie?
Okay.
I'm filming. Don't come in this camera, bro. So that's what I went to Old Navy for. So I got him a couple jeans. And then there was a lot of clearance. Even at Target, when I went to Target, there's so much clearance clothes. So I got the baby this. This was $1.49, y'all. This is 18 months. She's like wearing like 12 months, like 9 to 12 months. This is growing. So I've been getting her, now when I get her new stuff, I'm getting 12 months. So this is 18, but it was $1. I thought it was cute. Very pretty red with white flowers over it. Look, you see her? You like your shirt, mommy? I'm trying to get it to focus. Wait, mama. Wait, it's yours, but let me see. I just want to show the people, mama. I just want to show them the pretty shirt. Oh, and you talking back? Oh my goodness, here, you can have it. Here, it's yours. 12 months, 12 to 18 months. So it's like a blue with pretty pastel colored flowers. And it's a pajama set, y'all. So I just thought it was very pretty. See that? And it comes with the short shirt and shorts for $5. And I got this for my godson. This was $7. But I thought this is good because he could actually wear this in the cold weather that's coming up. It's just a pair of Old Navy sweatpants. I don't know why they was on clearance. Apple shirt and pants set. Yeah, it's cute. Got that for her. I got this for my godson. This was the only one they had in his size, but it's just a navy blue hoodie sweatshirt. They had they had brown ones that said Old Navy on them for $4.97, but they didn't have his size. So go to Walmart. Go to Old Navy, guys, and get your kids some clothes, because $4 for this. And they got the ones that say Old Navy, but they just didn't have any more in the left-hand side. Yes, can you believe it? Then I went to Walmart, guys. I got these for my boys. These are some Wet Ones kids wipes. I'm gonna show y'all how I make a little care package, like hygiene packet for my kids, because my boys is getting bigger, and you could use this as well for your kids, even if you have like young daughters going to school, you know, like personal items, and you put them in here for them. So I'm gonna show you. So I always have some wet wipes. I got this for the baby, some little scrunchies. Sis is getting her hair finally. Look, mama, tell them, show them inches, show them, mama. Look, she said don't touch me. Okay. Okay, I'm sorry, I was trying to show the people your hair. Show them, mama, you getting hair, mama. Oh, she said don't touch her. Okay, but look, this is for you, mommy. So we could do little pigtails and start doing little ponytails in her hair. I got her these cute little clips. I think these are from Walmart. These two. Y'all, I'm so excited to be a girl mom. I don't know what to do with myself. Wait, focus. I got myself this from Target. This peach sorbet tree hut body scrub. It just smells so good. Look at it. I haven't had my tree hut in a while, y'all. I don't even know why I haven't. She's trying to knock me out with these with the scrunchies. But peach mask to go with my peach tree hut. Peach, get it? Peaches. Y'all know, y'all seen the Mario movie? Okay. If you know, you know. And I also got these Pacifica vegan hydration under eye smile and line jelly patches. I did a sponsorship with Pacifica before, and I got to try a lot of their products, and I actually really do love them, so I still get some of their products. From Target, I also got these little eye patches. But and then, all right, so let me show you what else I got to pack in my boys' backpacks. So got the wet wipes, y'all. We got the wet wipes for kids. We got some bags from Walmart. But this is how it looks. I still would add like a lotion, but this is how it looks so far. And then you just zip it up, and then they also would have like a lotion or chapstick, Vaseline, and I think that's it. And you know, I would just zip it up and put it with them in their book bags when they're in school. Stay fresh, y'all, because these little boys out here, you know. And then I also got a little bit of these nice salted golds, but I think I'm gonna keep this on my car. Yeah, girl. These little boys. I keep some of these in my car, these tissues, and I also keep some wet wipes in my car. You want to come out now? You can't show. You can't. Look, Mama. Look. You can't turn around, though. Okay? You can't. You promise? You promise? Yes. Okay. Come on, Mama. Look. You can't let the people see your face. You can't let the people see your face. Oh, she pats me, guys. When I pat her on the back, look. No. You can't let the people see the face. That's right, Mommy. See your pretty face. Girl. You can't. You can't, Mama. Oh, you patted me. Oh, I love you. I love you, Mommy. My little baby, I love her. I love her. Give me another hug, Mommy. Come on. There we go. Look, she's patting me, guys. That sweet baby, I love her. She's so sweet, guys. So precious. I love her. That's so sweet. She loves giving hugs. Oh my goodness, my baby.
What happened to forever?